Food shortages.
Food shortages.
Μεγάλη έλλειψη φαγητού.
Food shortages.
Food shortages?
What food shortages?
Food shortages.
Welcome to another episode of Farming the Solomon Way. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell, and keep planting.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, what's on everybody's lips nowadays is food shortage. We've seen the snip notes, we've read the news, we've read the newspapers, we've seen what Google has to say. And yeah, it's a real thing. You know, guys, here in South Africa, we're paying 130 Rand for 7 kg of potatoes. Tomatoes have reached sky highs, 120, 150 Rand, a 6 kilo box of tomatoes. Any vegetable that you're buying on the market at the moment is sky high. You've heard the food shortages? Yes, definitely. And around the world, what's happening is basically you've got floods in one area, you've got droughts in another area. Believe it or believe it not, conspiracy theorists, and we've seen documentaries as well, say weather can be manipulated, clouds can be manipulated. That's why some regions have got no rain, etc. But whatever the case is, it's all resulting to food shortages. And you as an individual, with your budget, going to the grocery store and buying your vegetables every day is going more and more and affecting more and more into your income wallet. So we're doing a snippet of about 10-15 programs, and what I want to try to do is I'm not going to teach you how to farm or show you things on a big scale, but what I want to take you is things on a small scale. So we're actually diversifying this whole program to small scale, where you guys in a small townhouse balcony or in a small garden in your houses, small garden, vegetable gardens, just to be able to be more sustainable and produce more of your own food. So instead of bigger crops at the moment, we're going for smaller crops, and we're going to help you, hopefully, to save some money, put some money into your pocket, and to help you produce wonderful organic vegetables that is not only going to be good for your pocket, but it's going to be good for your spirit and soul. So please stay tuned, keep on watching, like and subscribe. Hope the channel's useful, but I promise you a lot of use is going to come in the next 15 programs. So keep on watching, make sure you've liked and subscribed. Thank you, guys. We can help.
We can help at Solomon Farms.
Για να λύσουμε το πρόβλημα μας, έναν υπάρχει. Solomon Farms.
Continue watching Solomon Farms for help.
Keep watching Farming the Solomon Way.
To find out how you can combat food shortages.
Hello people, welcome. Today we are starting a new series, and this series is going to be all about food production and the shortages of food, because there is a worldwide food shortage, and we've decided that we're going to put together a series at this stage of about 10 to 15 programs. Over the next 15 programs, we're going to take you stage by stage on how to produce your own food in small spaces. So when it comes to food shortages, everybody thinks you have to have a big farm to produce food. We're going to show everyone how to make a small vegetable garden, how to have small spaces, and how to produce good food in small spaces. So please stay tuned as we take you through process on process, vegetable on vegetable. Very exciting. Next week we've got strawberries, the planting of strawberries, and that will be the first program in the taking you to the food to the food sustainability, so you can sustain your own food. So 15 programs, each one of them teaching you how to plant your own food. Okay, guys. Well, basically the first thing that we want to teach you, we're here, so we're going to do it, is garlic. Please refer back to our program on the planting of garlic.
Okay.
Dancing beat.
So from bed of 5 square meters, you can produce yourself, and a 5 square meter bed is not a lot of space. You can produce yourself 20 nice firm heads of garlic from a 5 square meter space. You know the price of garlic. I mean, garlic is going for 350, 400 rand a kilo. It's for all garlic lovers. This is a big chunk out of your household budget. Imagine being able to produce it for yourself, all organic, and within a few months after seed, you've got beautiful garlic. This is one of the ways that you can help yourself be self-sustainable, combat food shortages with a 5 square meter bed.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And ring the bell and keep planting.